You studied verb patterns in this unit. For example, verbs that are followed by an infinitive with to or by an ing verb. Let's look at these patterns again. Alan's going travelling in Asia soon. He tells his colleague Eva about his plans. Listen to their conversation.
I'm going into London tomorrow to get the last of my visas. Then I'm off to Asia for 2 months.
Aren't you worried about being lonely?
No. I love travelling by myself. It's easy to meet new people.
I'd love to go to Asia. Travelling sounds such fun.
Alan says, I love travelling by myself. Certain verbs can be followed by another verb plus ing. Other verbs can be followed by to plus infinitive. For example, Eva says, I'd love to go to Asia. Infinitives can also follow adjectives. For example, it's easy to meet new people. Verb plus ing can come after a preposition. For example, aren't you worried about being lonely? Alan says, I'm going into London today to get the last of my visas. The infinitive to get describes the purpose of his trip to London. Eva says, travelling sounds such fun. We can begin a sentence with verb plus ing as the subject. Let's look at a table with some common verb patterns. Some verbs can be followed by either verb plus ing or to plus infinitive. For example, try, remember, and forget. But there's a difference in meaning. Sense verbs, like hear, see, or smell, are usually followed by an object and a verb plus ing. For example, I could smell something burning. When you're ready, go to the activity. Is the grammar correct? Choose yes or no.